My closet probably looks like many other people's closets, with such an assortment of coat hangers. The plastic ones that I have just seem to take up so much space that I decided to try out the super thin ones and see how they work. And as I put them in, I realize they don't slide past the brackets. So let me show you a tip that takes about 3 seconds in the garage to be able to get everything to slide around the closet. So the solution to getting the coat hangers to slide past the brackets was an easy fix with Granddad's old Craftsman vise. This one has been fixed. See the angle here? Pushes the loop over, and here's how long it takes to fix. Did you catch it? Just a couple seconds apiece, and they're ready to go back on the shelf.